me wa to ye bara le ye mo ka because remu ye ti wo pa ni do oye ka dog lo me protecting game pirate te winya lo me protect ya in ti mo so lo me protecting game pirate ki actually at the moment one pomero abera wa ki bul one pomero do ni luen nyen pa jo kono pa lo la gani because they are ready to fight. This is one thing I should tell you. After election, they are ready to plan to disorganize the country. But we are ready for them. So, they get quality and actually mukene. So let's be careful. Tell the youth, let us not join something you don't know. We have been here for 20 years. Wando don't make grooming ourselves. But letting on one. We don't need anything up there. More again do chen. Why guinea the very bad con? They don't put catching over to the mountain. So what are we fighting there? One don't want name near Marwata key down. Or go with the team what? We go back to school. Very child woman Kenya. This is what I've been telling the community. We protect the game that we have. Jadi niang apa? Nem gimana nak pol kui di long apa dah? Tep mo, kebun nak kui nak tak tahu. Kalau tu.